Good morning. Is it audible?
Good morning, Prashant.
Is it audible?
Yes,
Yes,
Prashant.
sir. Yes, sir.
Install Java, JDK, right? Is it audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I start sharing my screen. I don't know my screen is from.
Yes, Prashant, it is visible.
Well, basically, this is for data types. So what do you mean by the data type? The data type is what? It's a user-defined data. The data type means the actual representation of a data is called data type. Basically, Java will provide three types of data types. One is a primitive type, derived type, and a user-defined data type. Okay. Basically, we have a three types of data types: primitive, derived, and user-defined. So, primitive data types like the numeric data type, Boolean, character, integer data type, as well as a floating data. Primitive means already it is available in the Java. Such kind of data types are called primitive, or you can say built-in data types in Java. Okay. They are numeric data type, Boolean, and a character. So in the numeric data type, you are getting integral data type, floating data type. Again, the integral data types are dividing into byte, short, int, long, floating data types like float and full. Okay. So in the numeric data type, we have a byte, short, int, long. Floating data type, float, as well as a double. Okay. So otherwise, we can say like this also. So basically, the primitive data types are dividing into integer, float, character, as well as a boolean. When you go for integers, so it will be the whole number. If you want to declare real values, then you can go for floating data type. If you are defining a character, in that case, you should go for character. If you are working on a boolean data type, whether we can say true or false, in this case, you should go for boolean data types. Okay. So any queries on this? Basically, we have two types. Okay, keep in mind primitive and non-primitive. Based on the naming convention, they are saying three types, two types, as well as in the primitive data type, it is called built-in data types, already predefined. And non-primitive data type, as per the user requirement, the data types are going to be defining. Such data types are called non-primitive. Okay, or you can say user-defined data type, right? Now, when you come up with this data type, like what they have all different kinds of size also. So when you go for a byte data type, it stores the 8 bits of memory. So byte will be store how much data? Will store 8 bits. When you go for a short data type, then 2 bytes of data. You go for an integer, 4 bytes, double of your short. Okay. Now, the maximum range for the byte is 27. The negative value should be minus 128. This is the byte data type. When you go for a short, short is also 2 bytes, but it having a range minus 3 to 7682, this much. Now, the integer is a double of your short, and the long is double of your integer data type. So Boolean, the size is not applicable. The Boolean data type size is not applicable, and Boolean is size is not applicable because it is in the form of the resultant value should be in the true or false. When I come up with the float, it should be store 4 byte with the exponential value. Like if you are defining any up to the decimal point, you are giving the values. In that case, you should go for floating. Real value declaration, I should go for. So maximum float value you want to be stored. In that case, you should go for a character has the 2 bytes with the range of 0 to 6.53. We can store the value. Let's go for one by one. First, we go for byte data, right? How it will do. Let me open the edit source. Okay, so take the view. Okay, here I'm taking byte data type. Now, how do we declare? Let's say byte equal to take this value and dot output println here adding the values. Here I'm saying is also now I can save this class extension save as type should be .java file. Now I can save it. Now go to command line cmp is it is stored in the C drive. There is a folder name called testing. Here we are storing the how do you compile Java C byte data type called Java. Now we can compile. Yes, it is compiled. Now we can go for execution. This is when I say here byte p1 equal to I said n dot c. Is it work? Says does it work? b1 equal to b1 is value. Let's save it. Go to here. Reprint program. It is saying incompatible type. No possibly using conversion from equal to 8. So when you say here 10.0, so it is what type of value? It's a decimal value, a real value. So here, this is a floating value, so we cannot be used this type of declaration because byte is an integral data type. It cannot be assigned like this. We can go for like this. So in this case, it will work fine. Now, so can I give the up to maximum value? Yes, let me try to here. File, just it will work. Once it will get the data also. Right. When I give the negative value for this, is it possible? Let me copy this once. Okay. We are taking P2. Yeah, I'm minus one. What? Something. I can save it. File the Java program. We can use the arrow march. Now, okay. Yes, minus 27 is applicable. But if I give byte P3 equal to 128, in this case, the max value is byte is 127, but we are given what? 128. If we try to print this value, what will be the output? P3 equal to P3 is so P. I can save, recompile the program. What compiler is telling? Incompatible type. What's called loosely conversion from int to byte because what is the size of byte? Byte size is max value is 127. So no, the max value is how much? The max value is 127. I given what? 128. So that's the positive. The maximum value we can store the byte to 128. We can do minus 28, it is accepted. Okay. While this it will work. No. Let me go for addition of simple two numbers. So here I'm going addition. Yes. Let me declare two value. Here I'm declaring two value. How do we add this value? Byte P1 equals to 100 x 5 equals to okay, here's some this right P1 we can save this value P save it. So command line C program name or Java. You can compile if it is a 200 because it is taking the P2 value must be what? Then 127. I'm taking 100 only. Now I can go for here, compile, something fine. It can run this code. The output should be get 200. Hmm. The same scenario, I'm using byte P3 equals to byte P3 equal to P1 plus P2. Now I'm printing the value system.out.println in here going for sum to here I'm adding this value. Just I'm printing. Can you tell me will be the answer? Says it will be the answer. Please guys communicate.
200, sir.
Any output.
Output will be 300. Sir.
Yes. What is the B1 value?
100.
What is the B2 value?
200.
B2 value is 200 or 100?
100.
100.
Right. So when you add these two values, what will be the answer I should get?
200.
200.
Okay, let me compile this. Our C. Name what? What it is saying? Please read the error. Read the error.
Yes, sir. Because the byte to range is 127, so it is not accepted.
It's 200. 200 is what? It is maximum size of your byte, right? But in this case, I'm getting the output, right?
Yes.
Or no? But in
Yes,
this
sir.
case, I'm getting a error. Can you tell me why I'm getting this error here? Because why not it is getting here?
In the previous one, we split it into two types, sir, like B1 and B2.
Here also I'm adding, right? B1 plus B2.
But we are adding
But you are
the
mentioned B3 as a byte.
Yes.
it's a new extra value.
Thing is, whenever you are adding, it by default it is pulling the value, right? But in this case, what you are doing? You are storing the value, this value into the byte format, right? So the
Yes,
byte
sir.
size is up to 127 I can store. But in this case, byte value is how much? 200. 200 is a greater than maximum size of your byte. So that's what in this case I'm getting an exception. It will be the exception I'm getting incompatible byte, right? And incompatible byte, right?
Yes, sir.
This one I'm getting. Right. Okay. You can imagine in the interview they are asking like this only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
One more thing. I will tell you one more addition part here. Let me read all these data. I will that one. Byte is clear. The same thing you can go to short. So, oops. Now we declare the value. Dot is equal to just we want to be declared. It has to be. Is also yes. Save it. Save here Java C. I got in Java. This is also positive. Let me go for all the data type ones. Java data type. Basically, how many primitive data types we have? Right. Data type. This one is what? Byte. B1 equal to 100. I am declaring. Next one is dot.
Sure.
Yes. 100. Let's do
Double
I
int.
int I equal to 0.1000.
Float.
Next, these are all what type? Integral data type, right? These are all integral data. Next one is floating data type, right? Floating data types. Which are the floating data type? Float f equal to 1.2. So double t equal to 0.234. So which one? Char. So no, or you can say character. Type. There is a character type. Char ch into a. Now, so type one more is which one?
Boolean.
Boolean data type. Boolean. We can say Boolean equal to or also can ask.
False.
Now we can print all these data. So what out println. So here I'm saying by so p is so I'm printing the p value. That need to print. So need to print to the short. I have a int is I. So here I'm printing I. Next I have putting I'm giving f where I'm giving next one. The bulb will be stored in the D. I'm printing the keyboard. Next word after each variable I'm storing. So I can see it. Only it's Boolean, right? So here I'm storing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many types? Basically, we have 8 primitive data types, right? So is this program correct, guys?
Byte is B1, sir.
Yes.
Print.
It is P1.
B1.
From that. Everything is correct.
Yes, sir.
Then we compile. Compiler compiling Java C and Java. What this is program will be correct. Yes or no? What it is saying? Java C data type test dot Java. Why it is taking? Why I am getting this error? Can you explain anybody? Make it a mistake. Yes. What it is saying? File not found means you will not save this type of file in your directory. There is no file found directory, it is saying. Why? Are you observing my program? Why I'm getting this error? File not found. The name itself telling there is no file in this directory. That's what it is saying. The Java C command will not find in this file. This or no? Keep in mind, look at here carefully. I did not save the file, right?
Yes, sir.
Please observe what I'm doing. So here I'm not saved the program, but just I'm typing it. Will not work. So first I need to be save this program. Once it will be saved, you are getting here file name.java. Now you can try this. So no,
Yes,
now it
sir.
is compiled. But again, I am getting one error here. What it is saying? Incompatible type, possible possible loosely conversion from double to. So whenever you are declaring the float value, by default, what data type it is taking? Double. Yes or no?
Yes,
By
sir.
Yes.
default, it is taking a double. Compiler, you have to be tell explicitly. So I am using a float. So how do I say explicitly to the compiler? I'm using a float only. So because of that, if you give always F. F is what? The prefix. For the floating, whenever you are using, you should be use prefix F or F. Now you can save it. Now you can recompile the program. Yes, it is working fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now you can run the program. Yes, all the data types are defined or not. Okay.
Fine.
So guys, please keep in mind, basically we have a primitive data types. How many primitive data based in the primitive data type? Again, we have an integral, floating, character type, Boolean type. So for the integral data type, we have a byte, short, int, long. For the floating data type, we have a float, double, char, and a Boolean. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, one more formula I will tell you regarding this data type. Data type additions. When I say byte plus byte, what will be the answer I should get? Add byte plus byte, the resultant value is int. When I add byte plus short, so in that case, I should get int.
Int.
When I say short plus short, in this case, I
Int.
should get int only. Now, when I say int plus int, what will be the answer? Int itself. Now, when I say long plus int, in this case, answer should be long. Okay. When I say float plus int, what will be the answer?
Float.
When I add float plus float, what will be the answer?
Float.
Float.
Third double.
Double. Float is 4 plus 4 double.
Float only, sir.
Let float, or it may be get double. By default, it will take double only. Okay, keep in mind. If you specifically saying, I will show you one example of this. I go for, we go to an example on the floor. Go first. Okay. So guys, let me clarify. So F1 equal to 10. Next node F equal to 20. Now adding 4 plus 4 and 3 equal to F1 plus F2. Here and F3 I'm going to replace it.
Float. The values are integers, no, sir, not float values.
Okay. Let's say 10, 20. It will not take or it will take.
It will take, sir.
It will take. Let's see. But so what's the okay, work job. Yes, it will work then what will be the answer?
30.
30.
30.0.
Point. Right. But scenario is if you're given like this. In this case, I should be explicitly tell to compiler using what type of data? Floating.
Yeah.
What's my point? If you are not providing any up to the decimal value, that time it will consider as an 1.0. But if you are explicitly telling 10.0, in this case, you should be tell to compiler. So I am using float data type. So in this case, I should be make as an my point. When
Yes,
you
sir.
use a prefix, when we are not using a prefix. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let's say, yeah, plus, yeah, what will be the answer?
Yeah.
Sugar, please notice. Take an example, new, Java, yeah, test. Here, having value, one, two, so, yeah, two, two, and for always use single quotes. Okay, so always use the single quotes. If I say here ch1, sorry, I should say, so this is the answer. What is the answer? Yes.
A.
Okay. Let's say, yeah, ch2 equal to what will be the answer? Yes. First answer. We declare like this. Yes. Or no. Declare like this. See what compiler is telling. What it is saying. Enclosed character. Okay, we cannot use more than one character in a single key. That is the main. Again, keep in mind, we cannot write more than one character into the single quote for the. So I can use only single character, the single quotation. Now we can save it, try to compile. Yes, it is compiled. You want it to run our now are getting 80. Here, guys. For the character, is it clear? We cannot write a single code, two alphabets. Only I can go for single character. Single character with a single code. I can do it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I say system dot and if I start with saying one plus will be the answer. So happy.
AB.
Both are maybe you are getting any other answers? Why? I'm getting
A plus B, sir.
getting 190. Why?
Char plus char is int format, right?
So I'm telling why it is getting 185. Is it
It's
correct?
taking alphabet value, ANSI code.
ASCII code, yes.
Who's asking for A?
65.
What is the ASCII value for A?
97.
Is 7. So 97 for A, right?
Yes, sir.
When I say here, yeah, CS3 for when I say 97, when we write like this, I say here CS3. Okay, now what will be the value of CS3? Between 20 A or 97?
Yes, sir.
We say not a statement. You cannot write 97 like this. But can I remove this two and directly answer 97? Does it work?
Yes, sir.
Then what will be the answer? Save. 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 What will be the answer? Fourth time, then I should get the value. What is the value of 97? If I say 98,
B value.
yeah, that it will provide B value. 90,
8.
okay, system dot then here then PS4 is add these two values, 97 plus 98. What will be the answer?
What,
When you
sir?
add 97,
195.
when you add 97 plus 98, what will be the answer?
95.
195.
7 the 98 when you add, you will get the answer is what?
195. Yes, sir.
Things. If you add these two values, you find it. This is the max size for character value. There is 5, 2, so 1, so 5, what will be the last value? One character range is 6 followed by 3, 5, right? So this value I can give 6 5 is the highest value means highest value we can choose for character. In that one here things Yes. Nothing simple. This much. This is for the character, how it will be working. Okay. This type of question then right? If you adding these two, then what will be the answer? This is very okay. Write out here the character. You define how do you use. Okay. Next, we move on. We have response. Spelling Boolean data type. So Java. And what do you know that we do? But then when I specify one here, guys, can I use it?
No, sir.
If I specify one, what would be the answer? What will be the error?
The boolean will be defined as true or false, no, sir.
Then C++, if you are getting one as a consideration, tool, true, zero is considered as false, right? But in Java, there is no such thing. There is no such meaning. So one is considered as an one on integer. Let me show you. Copy, save it. Command line, Java C. Yes, incompatible type, right? Int cannot convert to Boolean. Is it clear? So guys, please remember, always you can use true or false. Let me try. Yes, it's working fine. Now we can run this. Yes. Right. If I say Boolean equal to what will be done? Yes. What will be the answer?
False.
Save everything. And save it. Let me compile. What it is saying when I compile, cannot find a symbol. First, F is a capital. Already I told you the big class. Java is a case sensitive. Case sensitive means the uppercase and lowercase letters are different. Sir, right? So here F is considered as a, there is no meaning of this one, right? Capital F. If I write small f, will be work fine. See? Sir, so keep in mind, the Java is a case sensitive. If you write capital T also, it will not show. So it should be right in the small letter, either true or false. Then only it is possible, guys. Okay. Any queries?
No,
Let's see. I hope you clear about these data types, right? This try to, how do you write a byte? How do you write a long short, int, float, cap, and a boolean? Okay. You comfortable with this data type?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any confusion here? Yes. I hope you are understanding, right?
yes,
Next, we move on. Java operators. So operator is like what? Arithmetic operator, logical operator, comparison operator, and the string. This thing mainly used for the implementations, which this. But first we go for what? Arithmetic operator. In the operator, plus symbol is indicating the additions. When you say 3 plus 2, when you get a result 5. The fraction is a minus. That is fraction 3 to 3 minus 2 is multiplication. Asterisk symbol we are using. That is a multiplication. Division and the modulo. These are pure arithmetic operators. These two are called the unary operators, guys. Plus plus minus minus. So we go for these two. Okay. Arithmetic operator. Let me go to example. New. So example. Arithmetic operator. Next. The arithmetic operators. Yes. Plus. Minus. Multiplications. Division. Modulo. Will give the remainder. Guys. Let me say system box. Println that I'm using. Currently, I can use this. We use a long. What? Stop. So directly also I can use equals extra equal length here using for application. Long time station. Plus here using division. Okay. So that's was the thing or say some regression plot. Yeah, is Java. Multiplicator. The division is 2, modulo is 1. Multiplication 2 into 5 is 10. Subtraction 30 minus 10 is 20. The sum is 30 plus, sorry, 20 plus 30 is 50. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now the next one is what? Next operator is increment and then return the value. Say there is a two different unary operators. So let me go to different news. Java. Basically, we go for increment operators. Here I am writing increment operator. Operator. Increment is two types of increment operators. First one is post increment. Post increment. And second one is pre-increment. Basically, we have two things. One is a post increment. The other one is a pre-increment. Post increment means, for example, if I say I plus plus, this is what type of increment? Post increment. What happened here? First assign the value. First, what it will do? First, it will assign the value and increment by 1. Which one? Post increment. In the pre-increment, what happened? Pre-increment sample source plus I. Here, what happened? First, increment by 1 and assign the value. Okay. So the increment operator, we have two ways. One is post increment, that is I plus plus. Pre-increment, that is plus I. In the post increment, what happened? First, it will assign the value, then incremented by 1. Okay. In the pre-increment, what happened? First, it will increment by 1 and assign the value. Let's say first in for this is increment. That's 1. Let's say if I say here int I equal to now here I'm thinking I plus. What will be the answer? Yes, what will be the answer, guys?
3, sir.
Let's go to here, compile. Now we can run this Java. Still I'm getting 2 only, right? So what I told you, keep in mind. In the post increment, first it will assign the value, right? First it will assign the value. Whenever you are using next time, it is incremented by 1. Let's say if I print the I value here, if I print I value now, then what will be the answer? I should get the value what?
3.
Right? So in the first time, it will assign the value. Okay. Whenever you are using next time with the same I value, in that case, the I incremented by how much? 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So,
Right. This is very important. Keeping in first time, whenever you are declaring I plus plus, it should be assigned the value. Whenever you are using the next time, I value become what? Incremented by 1. If it is I equal to 2, initially I declare. When I say I plus plus, it is going to be signed the value, right? Whenever signed value, next time whenever you are using, the I become what? Incremented by
1.
incremented by 1. Keep in mind. Okay. Let's go for example. Take a Java. Increment. Now here I am declaring int I equal to 2. I equal to I plus 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 of I plus plus. That's what will be the I value. Take all your answers. Do manual work. Wait an answer. Then what will be the I
6.
value? Yes,
Yes, sir.
6.
6.
Letter 6.
3. I plus 3.
Do manual work. Take your time.
Three, sir. Maybe concatenating.
Connection means here we are using integer value because it is going to be adding the value. Okay. When I say concat means the string values are going to be concatenated. Don't say the patients. Okay, it is adding the value.
Okay, 6, sir.
Now 6. So guys, any other?
2 plus 1, 3. 3. 4, sir. 4.
The final answer.
Final answer 4, sir.
Yeah, final answer is 4. Pawan
Yes,
Kalyan.
sir. 4, sir.
Pawan. 4.
Yes, sir.
Pawan Kalyan.
Sir,
What will be the answer?
I think 7.
Are you getting or not? If you are not getting, I will explain one more time. Don't worry.
4, sir.
Yes. You are done, Priya. Next, I am asking about Pawan. One is there. Read. One. Sorry. Naveen. But respond. Huh? Sudha. Sudha.
It's 4, sir.
Yes, sir. 4.
Venkat.
Yes, sir. 4, sir.
Yeah. Four or five is there?
4, sir.
Yes. Okay. So let's file the program. Save it. And see. Import. We can combine it. And hi guys. Wait.
సార్ మొత్తం సార్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ಮಾಡಿ సార్
Hello. So what I told you basically post increment. In the post increment, when you say plus plus, I plus plus, it is called post increment. First time, whenever you are using, first it will assign the value. If you return I plus plus, it is going to be assigned the value. Means what is the I value? I value is 2 only. Next time, whenever you are using that same I value, in that case, it is incremented by okay.
1.
Yes, whenever you are writing I plus plus, it should be assigned the value. In my case, so here the value of I is 2 itself, right? 2 here.
Yes.
Yes, when I am using the next time, when I am using the next time, this I value is incremented by 1, right?
3.
Incremented by 1. So in this case, the I value is, in this case, I value is 2.
2.
Next time, whenever you are using, this value is incremented by 1. So this 2 become what? Incremented by 1 means this value is 2, 2 plus 1. In this case, what will be the value become? 2 plus 1. This become what? 3. What's my point? So when you add this value, 2 plus 3, how much? It is a 5. Getting?
Okay.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
got it.
One more example. More example. So, continue. Okay. I equal to sorry, I equal to I plus I plus I plus I with the answer right. So I it's your time. Tell me the answer. What will be the answer? Yes, guys.
4, sir.
Will be the answer. 4. Yes.
10.
The other
7, sir.
7,
6, sir.
6, 11. Ah. Yeah. Let me say I verify what you are telling is a correct or not. Again, I'm getting 5 because it is not a quick program, right? Copy, share the screen. Now Java C, program name dot Java. Now
8, sir.
Java
10. Yes.
guys. Yes. What is the value of here?
1.
1, right? So whenever you are using this I value, it is incremented by
1. 2.
here 1. So in this case, it become what? 2.
2.
Now in this case, 2 is incremented. Is the
3.
post incremented? Again, it's become what? 3. Now again, this value is incremented by.
4.
So what will be the answer?
10.
So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This value become what? No. What the point? Or still you are in confusion? Please answer me. This is one of the interview question.
Now I got it, sir.
Huh?
Now it's clear, sir.
Got it, sir. Now it's clear.
We'll go to
Hello, sir.
tell me.
Sir, you said I plus plus. It is taking only one time assigning value
Hmm.
because you took in this program, sir.
You right?
Not this previous. This program, sir. I plus plus. I plus plus. You took 4 times.
Yes.
Yeah, here taking only one time assigning value.
So in the first step, it will assign the value. Okay. And incremented by next time, whenever you are using the same I value, it is incremented by 1.
Yes,
In
sir.
this case, it become what? It's become 1
Yes.
plus the initial value is what? 1 only, right?
Yes, sir. Got.
In this case, I become what? 2. That 2 is become here. Again,
2 plus 1.
in
Yeah,
this
got.
case, 2 plus 1. In this case,
3 plus 1.
3 plus. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I can go for post increment. Sorry, pre-increment. Whatever we done, that is a post increment. Next we move on pre-increment. So in this case, first incremented by 1 and assign the value. Let me go to example. Go to new Java pre-increment. Okay, here I am declaring int I equal to 3. So if I say I value here, so if I say plus I, in this case, what will be the answer?
It is incremented by 1.
So what will be the answer?
4.
By default, you are getting, or directly you are getting the 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But if I say here post increment, then what will be the answer? 3 itself, right?
Yes,
3.
sir. Assign. Yes.
Should be compiled. Okay. This is the major difference between plus plus. Yes. Now, if we go to example, take a Java. Here, okay. Yes. Change the name. Here I'm taking I int I equal to now I equal to I plus 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 plus. What will be the answer? Yes, guys, what will be the ions?
3.
3.
3. Yes, what will be the answer?
5, sir.
Right. Then we compile our C name for Java. Yes, Java. Thanks, guys. So why I'm getting 6? Yes.
Because
Okay.
after incrementing also we are using the I value at the end of it.
So initially, what will be the answer here? 2, right? Right.
Yes, sir.
So next you are adding. Next you are adding. It is post or pre-incremented. Post increment. No. Previous value is what type of value?
Previous post increment only.
Post increment. Post increment in the sense it should be add with 1, right? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Next. So this value is a pre or post increment.
Pre-increment. Pre-increment.
Pre-increment. Pre-increment means already the 2 is added with 1, right? Yes or no? This 2 is already added with 1. In this case, the value become what? 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is both the thing, post increment as well as a pre-increment. In this stage, the value is post as well as pre. So in this case, 1 plus 3. So this becomes 4 plus 2 is how much? 6, right?
Yes, sir.
So here it is a 1 plus of 2. What's my point? This is for post increment. This is for pre increment. Right?
Yes, sir.
So when you add these all values, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So I'm getting what will be the answer? The answer should be 6. What's the point? Now last one more program. I'll keep on you. Just I need a answers. So let me go to here, take a new, take a Java. Which one? It's here. By 2, 8.2, 1, 8, plus first, plus I, plus I, plus. What will be the answer? Is? Yes, what will be the answer? So manual and tell me.
8.
Next answer. Next answer. Five. Sorry, B. Getting 13. So 13, right? That is, in this case, what will be the answer? So what will be the answer?
1.
1, right? So is it post increment or
Additional.
pre increment?
Additional
Post
1.
increment.
Yes, sir.
Plus, again it is
1 plus
pre
1, 2.
increment 1 right? What
Yes,
will be
sir.
the total value here? So this become what? 3, right? 3. Again, it is a post increment, right? So in this case,
3 plus 1 plus
3, 1.
3.
What will be the answer? It is 4.
4. 4 plus 1.
4, 4 plus 1. What will be the answer? 1 plus 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 3 is how much? 7,
7,
8.
8,
Hmm.
12, 13.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please take your own example, try to work on it. Tomorrow we go for decrement of. Okay. I hope you're getting this one.
Yes, sir.
Any queries?
No, sir.
Any questions? So please try to work on it. Make this. If you have any queries, let me know.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye.